Horizon by MRI Software Development Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get property management software wrong. They assume it's only for large firms. The surprising truth about Horizon by MRI Software is how scalable and customizable it is, and you won't believe how it streamlines property operations from small portfolios to enterprise-level management. Here's how it works. Horizon is a property management platform that integrates accounting, leasing, maintenance, and reporting in one system. Users can track rent payments, manage tenants, schedule maintenance, and generate detailed reports. For example, a landlord managing multiple residential units can automate rent reminders, track late payments, and access financial statements instantly. Most people get this wrong. They assume spreadsheets are sufficient, but Horizon centralizes operations, saving time and reducing errors. Additional features include cloud-based access, mobile apps for staff and tenants, customizable workflows, and data analytics to monitor portfolio performance. Horizon also integrates with third-party services like payment processors and marketing tools. However, there are considerations. Setup and training can take time, and smaller landlords may find some features excessive. Most people assume all tools are necessary. Focus on modules that match your portfolio size and needs. In conclusion, Horizon by MRI Software is ideal for property managers and owners seeking efficiency, transparency, and control over operations. Its comprehensive platform supports growth while simplifying day-to-day management. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of real estate and property management software.